Hi, you are watching Best Modular Motorcycle Helmets Reviews. This helmet fit better on big heads. Number 1, Bell Qualifier. Lightweight polycarbonate ABS shell construction. Padded wind collar drastically reduces wind and road noise. Nutrifog 2 anti-fog, anti-scratch and UV protected shield, which is a click-release shield for fast, easy and tool-free shield replacement. Velocity flow ventilation system with flow adjust. Packed with features gleaned directly from our flagship Star line, the Qualifier delivers exceptional performance at incredible value. In addition to superb fit and comfort, it comes fully decked with aggressive styling. Number 2, Adult GX11. Boasting a compact, aerodynamic DOT shell design with sharp and aggressive styling for impeccable impact protection, to excel whether short-distance street performance or long-distance touring comfort. Multiple conscientiously designed ventilation panels effective in streamlining the cooling process, to assist with freshening the rider's experience. Number 3, YEMA helmet. Modular flip-up function, anti-scratch, and wide-view clear visor. Advanced lightweight durable ABS shell with EPS impact absorption inner liner. Helmet liner/cheek pads are lightweight, soft and easily removable and washable. Fully adjustable flow-through ventilation, to keep you cool in the heat but allow you to block the breeze when it's cold. Number 4, Freedcon Motorcycle Helmets. Equipped with Bluetooth 3.0 version, keep you connected with cell phone, music player and GPS system easily and stably. Up to 9 hours intercom time, 12 hours phone time, 120 hours standby time, makes team motorbike communication more convenient and efficient. Number 5, Motorcycle Helmet BM2 S. Motorcycle helmet built-in Bluetooth intercom communication system, keep you in touch with up to 2 of your buddies and up to 500 m away, make your communication more convenient. Bluetooth 3.0 technology, keep you connected with cell phone. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.